Hey there! This video guide explains graphs and figures in the CommPeak PBX Stats dashboard. Here, you will learn what information is shown at the top of the dashboard, which graphs it presents, and where to find performance data of most active or all agents. Dashboard is the first screen you see when you enter the CommPeak PBX Stats platform. Here, you can view general information about your call center performance. In the top right corner, select the desired time period, for example, previous month, and one or more desks for which you would like to view statistics, and then click Apply. At the top, there is the total amount of inbound and outbound calls, ACD, or average call duration of the inbound and outbound calls, the percentage of bridged or connected inbound calls, and ASR, average success rate for outbound calls. On the dashboard, you can view general statistics about both your agent's work and the whole call center. If you want deeper insights, you can drill down to a more detailed CDR report. You can also see the following call statistics graphs. For bridged and unbridged inbound calls, which means calls answered and not answered by agents. For answered and unanswered outbound calls, as well as a summary chart of inbound and outbound calls. Next, the dashboard shows you details about the performance of your 5 most productive agents by the number of calls made. To sort the results by different criteria, click the header of the respective column. To view other agents' details, click View All or select Stats by Agent from the main menu on the left. The call duration graph breaks down all the calls into several groups by their duration and shows the number and percentage of calls in each group. Here, you can choose to view graphs for inbound or outbound calls, and in the center of the graph, you will see the average call duration. The queue summary graph represents the number of inbound calls within each queue on each day of the week during the selected time frame. To the right of the graph, you will see the service level A box that displays the percentage of inbound calls answered within 1 minute. Good luck!